Okay. Okay, well, hello. Good afternoon, everybody. I would auto you. 'Cause you're my friend. So guess what? Guess that means I can auto somebody again. Repeat. Oh, Burning Star 13. I don't know. Tomorrow. Can you try? Oh, T-O, Tom and R-O. Tomorrow. Girlfriend. So you're lesbian. I like how both of them have colored hair, like, that you wouldn't really see too often. Not you. It's gonna annoy me. Most prom date ever. Okay, well, mine is that. What is this kid wearing? Oh, I get to auto somebody. Where's my... Repeat. Okay. No. I didn't mean I'm trash. Oh wait, the Bell kid is on. I need to talk to him. Huh? There you are. I need to auto you. Because I need this to be in the back. I need this to be here, that be here. This could be right here. I want that there. I want that there. There. Okay. So, I got another auto. I just need to put something random. Blah, blah, blah. Done. Perfect. Ugh. How am I supposed to tell this guy if he wants another part? Bruh. I would say yes. Because I saw him in the chat room and I added him because I thought he was cute. Yes. Huh? What? Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Totes. Okay. Never mind because, okay. I need to text him. I guess what that means. Time to auto somebody. Yay. Okay, repeat. I actually have no idea what I'm doing. You know, I'm just waiting to get enough in. Okay, I need to put an animation so I know if I'm like moving or not. So if I wait, did you see that? No, I'm gonna just do this. Polka from the side. Okay, now I know. 288 fame, 288 fame. I need two. It's already been a minute. Yes, it has. 50 seconds left. Oh, how am I supposed to talk to this guy? Logging in to another account. Ring already. Ring. 10 more seconds. I might as well already get it set up. Because I know how much this likes to lag. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you're live. Twilight Lilac. You know what? Let me go on your pro. Let me go on your pro. What? What? I gotta go on YouTube now. I said a P! God. Come on. You know what? Why is this lagging? You know what? I already know how to, I don't know how to spell Twilight. Okay? Why? Is that how she spelled it? Oh, I forgot. I didn't put the T. Oh, she's live now. I don't see me here. Whoa.
Oh, I look at this question. The fourth
Ring. Hi. I just autoed her. Look at me, right there. That's me.
What?
I was just gonna type. See why? Oh my god. Okay. She sounds like an adult. I mean, like, not an adult. Oh my god. Babe. Come on, pick something already. Time to auto somebody. Who should I auto?
Auto.
Auto.
Auto? What do you mean auto?
Do you know what an autograph is? Auto.
Autograph. What do you mean?
Where are you? I don't see you.
What?
I don't see you.
See me there.
I mean, like...
I'm online.
Oh, you're right here. Okay. Come on, hurry up. Sorry.
Oh, right. Today's my last day here, so better like this video, subscribe, and listen.
I swear this is lagging so much. There. Took forever. God. Wait, what happened? Oh my god. I have 3 minutes left of recording. Okay. For some reason it keeps repeating. I heard that. I guess goodbye. I'm gonna try and edit this. Bye.